Hello and welcome to the another series of Python for penetration testers, right? So in today's module, we're going to learn about exceptional handling. First of all, what is exceptional handling? Simply put, exceptions are error condition which disrupt or breaks the normal flow of a program, right? So in today's module, we're going to see how we handle exception in Python, right? So let's create our Python file. So it's simple vim, let's say exception except.py, right? And as always, let's give it the path. Fine. So in Python, we have something called try and except, okay, way of catching an exception, right? So how we are going to do? There's a keyword try, right? Let me give it now. Let's give it a variable a, which is holding the value like 0 divided by 0. So as we know, 0 divided by 0 is undefined, right? So it's obviously gonna throw us an exception, right? Because it can't go with an undefined or infinite loop, right? So we are gonna try, right? Which is what we are gonna try a, which is going to be 0 divided by 0, right? And we are gonna accept what we are gonna accept. If there is an exception, I'm saying print exception happened, and we are handling it. Handling it, right? Just a fancy thing. And if there is no exception, let's say else print no exception, no exception, we're good to go, right? And another thing we have, that is finally. So let's try finally. So finally is something that runs irrespective of exception or not. If there is exception, still it will run. If there is no exception, still it will run. Okay, we'll see finally print what it's gonna print. Let's say clear the code, anything, right? Let's run it. Let's say Python except py. Yeah, so first of all, if you remember in our code, it was 0 divided by 0, which obviously gonna throw us an exception. So we are getting exception happened and we are handling it and clear the code. That means it was something that finally did, right? So finally, as I said, it runs irrespective of the exception, that its exception is happening or not, it will run, right? Let's see if exception is not happening, whether it will run or not. Let's see that. So let's say, let's give it a value equal to, let's say, 4 divided by 2, right? So I think there is no exception because 4 divided by 2 is 2. So I think we should have else statement printed, and let's check whether finally gets printed or not. So let's see, let's run it. See, so here it's saying no exception, you are good to go. And the finally one is also getting, finally print statement is also getting executed. So that's all in this module. Hope you liked it and you're clear with the exception handling part. And please do like and subscribe to my channel if you want to get a good follow-up videos on this, right? Alright guys, thank you very much for this. See you in the next video.